Ayan, nakakabit naman na yung turbo.
When?
Ayan na siya yung turbo.
Did you? Oh, don't text me. I want to see that. My phone is in my box.
So, ito nga at kung makikita mo
I'll be leaving now. Alright.
nakasara yung shop.
Alright, see you later. Alright, wait.
Sinara nila yung shop dahil gusto niya dito lang siya mag-concentrate sa kotse ko ngayon. So, pag dumating yung pipe bukas, may kakabit na rin niya. So, yun lang. And I just, this guy, I said I speak Welsh but he don't believe me. So, it's a Welsh, you know. That's my, that's the mechanic big brother.
If you were coughing, then yeah, I believe it's Welsh.
Alright, that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ito yung talagang
That's not Welsh.
just shut up, man. I'm talking to my brother. Ito yung talagang cause ng lahat ng sira ng turbo ko. At what you call this again?
Oil feed pipe.
Oil feed pipe. Ito yung nanggagaling daw yung sa langis na pumupunta sa turbo. Clog up siya. Hindi makadaloy yung langis because yung langis is super dumi. That's simple as that. So, hindi makapasok papunta sa turbo. Kaya bumigay yung turbo. Ito talaga yung problema. So, hindi ngayon malinisan dahil sumobra na yung sigurong luma. So, nag-order siya ng bago. So, papalitan din ito. How much this one? 5 pounds? This is 90 pounds. So, ito. At, ngayon nga nakakabit naman na yung...
Is that the timer, is it?
Can't wait. I can't wait that this car will be back on the road. So, at the moment, I'm still working nights. I still have 3 nights starting tonight. I've done already 2. So, I have to do more overtime. That's life here in the United Kingdom, guys. So, you have to work, and you have to pay this guy at the back. So,
only when you don't get your oil changed and kill your car.
and I just want to show you the engine now, guys. So, as you can see, that's the engine at the moment. There you go. That's the engine.
You should shine the turbos back on.
And turbo, the new one is already there. As you can see, that's the new one now. So, maybe when this finish.
Well, we gotta wait for the pipe to show up from Kia. So, ask Kia.
So if but you already ordered it.
Yeah, it's already ordered.
So you already ordered the pipe. And what?
Unless you want to order an aftermarket one.
No, whatever you order, I don't mind.
Right.
I might order the wrong one again, and you will get cross at me again,
Possibly.
telling me ordering wrong ones.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. As you can see, my car is still in pieces with this guy, and I really appreciate guy that he's just concentrating on my car today on his day off, as he always said, on his day off. So I appreciate that one so much, and hoping this car will be done maybe this week.
Possibly, yeah.
Depends on the pipe.
On the pipe, yeah.
So maybe this week, guys.
If not, it's going to be early next week, I expect.
Alright, so that's all I can say, guys. Maybe this week, but it depends on the one that he ordered, the pipe. If it will come in tomorrow, then everything will be alright.
It's Kia, so don't keep your fingers crossed.
Why?
Because Kia are a pain in the ass to get parts of.
Is that?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the only problem at the moment, guys. the pipe once the pipe arrive, and then everything. I hope no more. Finger crossed. I hope. With that poor problem that I told you guys. First, the dirty oil, which it's my fault. I accept that. I did not do my proper caring for my car. And then the pipe, and then that small nut that been missing, and of course it's my fault anyway. So, but what can we do? Shit happened. So I cannot do anything about it. And let's see. Okay, that's all. Sampalenyo vlog. And make sure subscribe, like, and share. And as I said, if you are on this area, always come to this place if you have problem with your car, and they will sort it out. A very friendly guys that you will meet, especially this guy Ashley, and of course Liam. So shout out to you guys, and as I always said, please take care guys, and please help me to pray that my car will be finished this week. Alright? Or yeah, early next week as he said. So what can you say? Can you say something on my blog?
Change your oils.
That's what it see? Change oil. So just a reminder to everyone, always check your oil. And maybe I'm so busy in working, so I don't have time anymore to check all these things in my car. So bye bye guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. I hope next vlog my car is already running, and wait for that one. Okay, bye bye. That's it.